excitement. Make sure you keep your feet on the ground with all the latest football news every weekday afternoon from 4 with Andy Goldstein and Darren Bent. This is TalkSport. And not forgetting all the latest form and odds with Paddy Power. Drive on TalkSport with Paddy Power. With Paddy's Super Sub, your bet now rolls over to the new player coming on. T's and C's and exclusions apply. 18 plus be underway to talk. TalkSport traffic.
Just the N6 southbound is partly blocked after a collision between junction 19 Buxton and 18 for Middlewich. In the West Midlands, there are queues on the N6 northbound. That's partly blocked by a broken down van between junction 5 and Castle Bromwich and junction 6 for Bristol. And in Bristol, the N4 westbound is partly blocked after a collision, and that's blocking the lane just by junction 22, the turn off for the N49. I'm Adam.
One of our stars dominates the track at a blistering 233 miles per hour. Another is an entrepreneur and fashion influencer with 14 million devoted followers. The third has helped revolutionise the way we all think about farming. The Sunday Times Young Power List celebrates Britain's rising stars under 30 from the worlds of entertainment, sport, business, politics, tech and beyond. Find out who's on the list and read exclusive interviews with every winner at times.com now.
This Saturday, game day is go. Stimulate your senses with a heavy-duty payload of thrilling Premier League football. Exclusive full-match commentary of Manchester City versus Crystal Palace. Coverage from 12:30. Sport. Well, we keep an eye for Evan Beck, the financial guy who's playing as an amateur. I don't know if he's teed off yet. Let's find out. It's day one at Augusta, and Sean O'Brien's keeping an eye on it for us. Hi, Sean.
Hi guys, Evan Beck off at 4:21 I believe, and another interesting story at the top of the leaderboard is England. He's made a very bright start. He's in an 8-way tie for the lead at 2 under, and a very interesting character. Wears 2 black gloves, uses iron head covers, approach the game. And a fun story of one shot back as well. Ryder Cup star Nikolai Højgaard, quite a remarkable front nine. He was 3 over through the first 2 holes, and bear in mind one of them's a par 5, then birdied 5 of the next 6, and then bogeyed the 9th. So all that amounts to just 1 par on the card, and he's 1 shot back at 1 under par. The guys on the first, very and City Scheffler is off the way, just teed off alongside Justin Thomas and US amateur champion Jose Luis Ballester. And as you would expect from Scheffler, he piped it straight down the middle. You can follow all the action over on talksport.com/blog.
The Masters Update on TalkSport with Arnold Clark. Everything for your car, all in one place. Johnny Baker here on TalkSport. Before that, we talked about darts and indeed circle around in foot. I don't know if both counts. Right, so before the sun, it is Rob Paul. Hello, Rob.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Not so bad. Let's start with the snooker. And the big question is, you were reporting this morning in the Sun that Ronnie hit a 147 in practice. Does that make it more likely he's going to play in the World Championship, you think, because they're already on 10 hooks at the moment?
Yeah, I mean, he's complaining he hasn't got a cue. And then he goes to Saudi Arabia, and then he gets the 147 in practice. Astonishing when he turns 50 going to Machina. He's going to make a decision next week. He's got these 3 practice sessions, and he's going to see how his game is out. Does he have the equipment? My bet is he will play. I think he will be involved because that's where the tournament. He's not this one since he first qualified in 1993, so it'd be quite an unusual thing. You probably remember in 2013 where he actually played the World Championship and he hadn't played the entire year. He went on a kick farm, I think, on a sabbatical, and he ended up going to Bristol and winning. So Robbie's used to having hiatuses and performing really matters, but it'd be good to see if he's involved.
It would be absolutely brings something to the tournament. I hope a few of the other players and they really wanted to be there as well.
So, I mean, look, he is now whether he would be competitive to win, it's unlikely. He wasn't. He's been putting out 5 tournaments this year on medical grounds. He spoke to us last week saying that his game was just in a bad way. I mean, Ronnie's a perfectionist, and you've got to pinch of salt, but maybe a large pinch of salt. You shouldn't put on it sometimes because you think, well, you are practicing. Are you just a kid on the gym? But I think, to be honest, it would be quite and win it, but then he does know what it takes to win the Crucible. He's done it 7 times before. And as we've been speaking for the last 3 years, is he going to get the ended record of 8? Which is, well, before we get to it,
Jimmy White as well, we'll see in action, and we'll find out tomorrow. He's still got a big game tomorrow. Find out if he's going to be there at the Worlds. Is that right?
Yes, it's 10 o'clock tomorrow. He's playing Ashton Carty. It's only round 2 of 4. By the English Institute of Sheffield. But Jimmy White, who last got to the Crucible, the senior, in terms of the main draw in 2006, the 6-time finalist, a cult hero, if you like, played the game at such fun boy, 62, 63 next month. And he won 10-9 into Kazakov at 1:22 in the morning on Wednesday morning, a 42-year-old chap. And he won. Now he's going to do that again tomorrow, win again, and get through. But how great would that be if Jimmy White can get all the way to the Crucible? Huge
star, wasn't he? Absolutely. He's a great character. Will he be at the Crucible in the future? The talks are ongoing, aren't they, between Barry Hearn and Sheffield City Council and the theatre? I mean, he's been right up front, Barry, about, there are other larger venues they can play. He wants to be met halfway. He wants to stay in Sheffield. He realises it's the tradition, but we're probably a ways off of a decision on that, aren't we?
Well, I mean, like you guys, I would have been brought up watching the great results of the 50th anniversary of everybody's practice. The Crucible is synonymous for sleep. It's not the biggest around. The contract runs out in 2027. A little bit of briefingship we could have said with Barry Hearn last year. We came in with the ball and said, right, if you don't build me a new venue in Sheffield, we're going elsewhere. We've got this money for sounding. And that certainly got Sheffield City Council listening. This year, they put a statement out on the England at all and trying to damper all that. Because, of course, the players, Ronnie, has saying the fight and it stunk. Other players are very critical of it. Other players are very supportive of it and want the tradition, the legacy of staying in that South Yorkshire theatre. But Sheffield City Council have said in the build-up there have been constructive conversations with governments and obviously Wilson and Couture. It's all going to come down to money. And there's going to be in the contract. But what I would say is the BBC's thought that we move their contract to 2032 to broadcast the 3 Triple Crown events. To me, that's the biggest indicator that it will stay in the UK in Rolex because it's the biggest sport. You're not going to want to go to Riyadh for 3 weeks in April or May.
Yeah, they're talking about China and Saudi. On the darts then, you're in Manchester for night 10 of Premier League darts. MVG is back, Michael Van Gerwen, who missed out in Berlin because he a freak neck injury. T-shirt injury, wasn't it? Yeah, he was putting on some shirts for sponsors and did his neck in.
It's very much the standard frame, isn't it? Yeah.